Hi and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. My name is Shannon and today I will be giving you a tour on this Volkswagen approved used Passat Estate R-Line. This model is a 1.5 litre petrol automatic finished in an Aquamarine Blue signature metallic paint. This vehicle does come with a 2-year Volkswagen warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. So if you'd like to find out more information then please give us a call on 01978 340 600. So today I will be giving you a 360-degree walk around, then I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. So starting at the front we have your LED headlights as well as your rain sensors. Then taking you around we have these 19-inch Pretoria dark graphite alloy wheels which are an additional feature, really complementing the exterior finish. Then moving further down the vehicle, we have your rear tinted glass, not only creating a sporty finish, this also offers extra privacy for the rear interior. Then showing your first glance inside, we have this stunning Nappa leather upholstery, which is an additional option. Got your mats front and rear, and then your passengers also have access to climate controls to keep a full car comfortable. Next, take you around to the back of the car, you'll notice we do have your parking sensors. You've also got these on the front to support with parking and give you that boost of confidence when making tight manoeuvres. You will also benefit from an electric boot lid, which we can access via the key fob. And then taking a look inside this impressive boot space, we have so much room available. You could easily fit in multiple suitcases when you're off on your holidays. A great additional option is your spare wheel toolkit. So this will keep you covered. And then we can close the boot by a simple press of the button, which is really handy when you're in a rush or with your hands full. Panning around, you'll notice we do have your silver fitted roof rails tying in nicely with your window trims. And then taking a glance inside the front interiors, we've got your R-Line embossed multi-function steering wheel followed by your front heated seats, offering you and your front passenger a comfortable and cosy experience. Electric adjustments are available to help you find the most safe position to travel in. That does conclude the first section of the video, so in the second part I'll jump inside and I'll go in further details on the interior features and technologies. Jumping in the driver's seat, we have your electric mirror window adjustments as well as your central locking. This car features automatic lights, ensuring they're always on at the correct times. And then moving on to your multi-function steering wheel. So here we can access the car's features directly without removing our hands. So you can find the adaptive cruise control on the left, which is really handy for long motorway drives. This will make it a bit more relaxing as it allows you to take your feet off the pedals. Then using the controls on the right side of the wheel, you can customise what you want to see in your instrument cluster. So we have a digital dash display screen in the centre where you can find all your key driver information and settings. And then moving over to the centre, so here we have your infotainment system where we can access a wide range of functionalities that are available on this Passat estate. So we do have your DAB digital radio to keep you entertained during them longer trips. You've also got your Bluetooth telephone preparation, which allows you to make hands-free calls nice and safely on the go. This car features your satellite navigation, which is the perfect addition for helping you plan your routes. It will also provide you with the quickest ones available. And then moving on to your assistance, so we've got some great safety features, which does include your lane assist. We also have your front assist for emergency braking, your adaptive cruise control, as I did mention, your driver alert system, as well as your dynamic road sign display. And then another brilliant feature on this car does include your driving mode selections. You've got your 4 preset options, allowing you to choose your preferred driving style, which is designed to enhance your experience. When popping the car into reverse, this is how your parking sensors will appear on the screen. These will give off an audio warning, which will give you that boost of confidence when parking up. This car also features your app connection, so you can pair your phone to the car to stream your phone apps. You've also got your climate controls available, offering yourself and your front passenger your own individual airflow settings. You can do this via the screen or the touch-sensitive controls just below. Then we've got your 3-point front heated seating, which is a perfect addition for the winter weather. Then moving down, we do have your keyless start. For your automatic transmission, we have an electronic park brake with auto hold for added ease for the driver. Got some hidden cup holder storage, a 12-volt socket, and then some additional storage under the armrest where you'll find dual port to charge media devices. So thank you for watching this video on this Volkswagen approved used Passat Estate R-Line, which does include a 2-year warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance, along with additional benefits and flexible finance packages available. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, please contact us now on 01978 340 600.